Hi everyone, I am creating this video just to explain you how to begin the Python programming and what all the setups is required to start the Python code development. So this is the website python.org where you will find a lot of contents and documentation work. But this is a short video which will explain you how to install the setup. So to write the Python code, we are going to use the Notepad++ editor and uh, just make sure is it available in your laptop. So if not available, then go to the website notepad go to the website notepad++.org. There you can find the installer. You can download the installer and install it in your laptop. So this will be useful to write a code. Then second thing required is the actual Python 3 installation in your machine. So if it is it available in your machine or not, that you can confirm use from the command prompt window. Just we need to type Python. Here nothing is coming up on the Python or command prompt screen, means Python is not installed in your machine. To install Python, just go to the download option. There you can see lot of released version Python 2.7.18 version. Just go to your download folder and there Python in your machine. So while installing, make sure the python.executable variable path we need to add it. So you can see will be installed on local hard drive. That option you need to select it and then press next. Installation process will take 2 to 3 minutes of time. Once installation is done, then you need to confirm is it installed correctly or not from the command prompt window. So here again type Python and enter. Now you can see Python software is installed correctly in your machine. Now to run the sample code, open the notepad. Now to write the test code, create a new file using notepad++ editor. I am giving and save this file with the name of I am saving this file the sample code dot py. So .py extension is necessary for this file. Now just write the simple code print hello world. So this is your simple Python code, which is just to write the hello world. So just save the file and now again open the PowerShell window. So PowerShell window is very handy to run the Python scripts. So go to that same repository and just type PowerShell and hit enter key. So here PowerShell window is open, and to execute that Python script you need to type Python and provide the file name. So here our sample code file name is sample code. So I'm sample and just press tab, which will give the accurate file name, and just enter it. Here you can see the hello world is displayed. So this video may be useful for you to just start with Python programming. Thanks for watching this video.